Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to check logins and logouts history on Facebook. So first of all, you can just go ahead to your menu at the below right corner, go ahead to the settings gear at the top right. And from here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just move on to the account center or meta. And from here, you're going to see multiple options. Just go ahead to the password and security. And from here, you're going to see security checks. And from here, you're gonna move on to the first one, which is where you logged in. And from here, you're gonna select the account that you want to see, the history of it. So I'm gonna just click the third one, for example, and here you're gonna see iPhone XR, iPhone 7, Honor 6X, Samsung Galaxy, and you will see the devices that you've been logged in the last few years or few hours even. So what you're gonna do in order to delete that, you can just select delete device to log out, and from here you're gonna select the device that you no longer use, maybe like Honor or the Android kind of device. Alright, and just select these two Android devices, and just log out from it, right? And basically you will see the rest of the login history right here, in the last time you actually checked on your Facebook account, in the same exact account, in the place as well. Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.